Haven't been around here in a while. They go back from right down by the McDonald's down there by the end of the road. But you got all of these new houses around here. They've been around here for a while now. But yeah, let's give a quick tour around Cape Hill side. Oh, Cape Hill has improved. If it has improved. But yeah. Loads of new houses. So, people that leave Birmingham, you can see that a lot of different parts of here in Birmingham been improving slowly. I even think Lazelle Road change up. Across where the shops are, also shops are not. Wow. Food and vegetable. I need some food, you know. Barber shop. Everybody there, look, people love look, you see. You can see people looking at the shop, not the business. They're like, what that little thing? Okay, people look dead. Yeah, it's look dead up here. It's cold. Cape Hill. Still got the old ancient named the Hatatek African food shop. No, that black food shop down there as well. I got 1 hour to pick up my granddaughter. KFC down there. Farm food. Pack supermarket. Domino. Every little thing. Cape Hill. Not that cold like yesterday, ain't no wind blowing, and it's like 3 to 4 today. It was like 2 to 1 yesterday. Nice sofa, bed. Cape Hill Ear Cosmetic. So all it is the ear product. got a Virgin, got a food shop over across the road. I ain't been there in a while. See if I see it. And I'll go across the road. I'll see if I see it. Pisa. Oh, name, which up Pisa now? Yeah. And then we shop off right now. Hill Smethwick. Good?
Yeah, man.
YouTube. Ah. See them old Asian building, and then you got what was the shopping centre name? Windmill, I think it named Windmill Shopping Centre. Windmill Shopping Centre. Ain't much there. I used to go pure gym around there. Yeah, Asda, JD, Costa Coffee. Not much around the side. I remember pure gym right there. Iceland. I should go Iceland West Long. Indians and mostly Indians down there. But yeah, that's the shopping centre in much in here. To go pure gym over here. I think it's up top up there. House. Yeah, nothing down there. Look at shopping centre and much there to look at. But yeah, it's cold. Look at the time. Look at the sky. It's like 2 o'clock. It's been like this since I wake up. From morning. As when you hear people say dark cloud over the sky in the UK, England, this is what they mean. Just dark clouds, day in, day out. Yes. Cape High Street. Should have gone to Iceland. This Puritan, they look different. That's the Smethwick Ice, yeah, Miss Smethwick Ice Street, Cape Hill. Cape Hill for your people. Look at that. Try to break that. She act like she don't cook, she not cold. iPhone 12 232. iPhone price ain't back. Don't come across it. Oh, 570. Smethwick High Street. Yeah, I keep saying Smethwick. Cape Hill High Street. Why I keep saying Smethwick? Maybe because I always think it's a part of Smethwick. Smethwick Cape Hill, I know I always try to say. In a bar, I drink already. Skin and blood clot teeth in a gambling house. Shop slow. Business slow. Shot one. Awesome. Virgin shop. Oh shit. I realize I passed it already. Cape Hill Fair. Community eye care service. Cape Hill High Street. People post office up for to let. You see everything on there. Pure sweets. The new houses go all the way down to the end of the roundabout, and they all look nice and real decorative. Now, these are old ones beside. They're looking in good shape, good condition, and keeping the original English architect. But yeah, people,